Birmingham. It's got a lot to be proud of. I'm walking in towards Birmingham city centre from Edgbaston. It's a beautiful canal walk. Let's see what we can see on the way. It's an industrial part of the canal and I'm looking for some of that urban grit. And pretty soon I find Edgbaston Tunnel and that's gotta be worth a picture. It's a long pedestrianised tunnel and the good thing about that is there's lighting in there and I love the colours it throws up, look, between the graffiti and the stonework. And as I exit the tunnel, it's always nice to get a picture, a light and shade picture. And what a great route this is to cycle into the city. Or even jog for that matter. And oh wow, look at that. Now that's what I call a retaining wall. That's keeping a whole hillside from falling onto these rail tracks. Let's see if we can get a picture of the train. That's a little urban documentary shot there. The train's whizzing. As we get close in towards the city, everything starts to become a little bit more built up. And we'll soon get a glimpse of the building I'm here to photograph. And there it is, that's the Cube in Birmingham, and that's an iconic building and my absolute favourite. It's designed by Ken Shuttleworth, one of Britain's truly great architects. Ken has the nickname Ken the Pen because of the fluidity of his work, and you'll also know his work from Wembley Stadium and the Gherkin. Now, the bull is synonymous with Birmingham. It's a rich symbol because of the iconic bull ring, and you can see what the designer's done here from an angle just underneath. Those pointed buildings, those glass buildings at the top, make horns pointing, bull's horns pointing towards the city. That's just genius. Now as we turn the corner, the architecture changes from the new to the old. This is old Birmingham now, round by the canal, and anybody that's seen the drama Peaky Blinders will know exactly what I'm talking about, because Birmingham's their home tum. And as we pass the Cube and turn the corner, we see the mailbox, the old Royal Mail building, which is now home to the BBC in the Midlands. And I love these footbridges. I love the way they give leading lines into the picture. As we turn the corner, we see the Hyatt Hotel towering over Regency Wharf. Pictures everywhere. Who'd think we were right in the middle, right at the heart of the city centre? And the final bit of the journey takes us to the ICC, the International Convention Centre and Symphony Hall, home of the City of Birmingham Symphony Orchestra. Oh, I don't think you can beat reflections in the winter when the water's so clear. Oh, and from Brindley Place, I'm just popping around the corner into Chamberlain Square because I wanted to photograph this Birmingham brand new number 2 Chamberlain Square. Isn't it fantastic? Juxtaposed there against that old clock tower. Fantastic. So after a fine lunch, we head back under rock legends from Birmingham, Black Sabbath's bridge. And what a shame, if it wasn't for copyright, I'd be playing you a Sabbath riff right now. Okay, so the sun's gone down. The lights are just about coming on. That blue light is just there. And I'm about to get the picture that I came for. Trouble is, I got 2. Can't decide which one I like best. I've got one with the sort of Victorian, the faux Victorian light in the foreground and the Cube in the background. And then I've got one of that iconic horn-like structure on the top of the Cube building. I don't know here. You have a look yourself. Tell me in the comments which one you prefer, or maybe you prefer one of the others. Maybe the Chamberlain Square building, I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little tour. That's just one little tiny part of Birmingham. It's got so much to offer. If you haven't been, I'd thoroughly recommend coming along and having a look at the second city. So that was my hometown of Birmingham. But if you'd like to see me doing a similar thing in London, then click this link here. And I shot the whole film on a Nikon ZFC, a fantastic little camera. If you'd like to see me pitted up against the amazing Sony RX10 Mark IV, then click this link here.